Hi guys, it's Chelsea, and a couple people have asked for an updated camper tour because my camper doesn't look the same as it did when I started, and I made a camper video tour about a year and like 3 months ago, and I haven't really done an updated one since then, so I'm just gonna take you guys through it so that you can see what I'm living in still and what it looks like now. So let's just get started. This is my door. This is what I walk into every day. I walk into this lovely thing, and what I've done is added some pictures and string lights all along the top there. That's me and my little brother when we were wee little babies, and I put some fake flowers around the trim as well. I had to use this thing to cover up this window because it's the only window that doesn't have blinds, and I don't like the fact that people can see in at night. So as soon as you come in, obviously there is my bed. That's Banks, that's my dog. She felt that. Anyway, so basically what has changed here is that, okay, initially I've always had these. I added these lights up there so that when I look up it's like stars, and at night when those are the only lights on, it's like super ambiance, you know? That's my computer. I'm currently trying to upload a video for you guys, but the internet is slow. I added a banner here just to kind of give it like a little festive vibe, and the biggest thing is this brick wall. This is just a vinyl, like I guess like wallpaper almost, that you put over the top of regular walls, and I did that because it looked kind of boring before. I'll try to put in one of the cards, if YouTube still even has cards, or in the description box below the video of when I installed that wall. I just think it makes it look a lot more homey in here, more like an apartment versus a camper. That wall used to just be brown, just plain brown or beige, like this color wall over here. So adding that was a really nice touch for me. I also initially had gray curtains, but I did a dark blue one instead. I just think it looks better. My mom put this in here for me, Oh the Places You'll Go, and honestly I'm just gonna leave it at this point. It's so cute. I like Dr. Seuss. Whatever, it's cute. There are some peacock feathers up there, some of my wardrobe along here. I want to give a shout out to Jimmy for getting me this pillow. I love it. And I also got this little blanket thing, which is new. Used to be gray. New as in like 5 months old, but yeah. Over here by the foot of my bed, I've got two little baskets. One of them I store like flashlights, umbrellas, extra chargers, blah blah blah, my vitamins, whatever in there. And then this one is my notebooks, journals, and books that I am currently reading. I've got The Hatchet, The Fall, and Like Water for Chocolate, which is a book that Bean gave me. Unfortunately, I can't carry a lot of books at a time because of the weight of books, so I can only read a couple and then I have to donate them and go pick up new ones. So yeah, I've actually got a book called Tuck Everlasting that I am currently trying to donate somewhere. But not everyone has book exchanges, so I don't know, whatever, I'll find a place for them. I also have these touch lights for when we are boondocking and not hooked up to power. Right now, obviously, I've got electricity, all my lights are on, blah, blah, blah. But for when there isn't electricity, I have those, and those are always super helpful. This is the view of the rest of it. That's me in the mirror over there. Hello. This is my kitchen area. It has not always looked like this. The original covers for the seats I did not like, so I had them reupholstered for these two things. However, I'm pretty tired of this pattern at this point. It's been like over a year of just this pattern, and I would like to get new ones. However, they are kind of expensive to make. Right, Banks? Kind of expensive, yeah. And I also used to have gray curtains here, but my aunt helped me make these white ones instead. I just feel like it kind of opens everything up a little bit more. I also got this little dry erase board thing, I guess, just to remind me to drink water every day. I also can write down my groceries on it if I want to. And I have this little drawing of Banks and I. Then everything else is standard air conditioning unit, cabinets that originally were brown wood, but we painted white. TV installed right there, and then that brings us over to the kitchen. We got this little key rack right here. This thing, which is super helpful because it can charge a bunch of things at the same time, including USB ports. The fridge also did not initially look like this, but I did put a vinyl cover on top of the boring vinyl that was already there. Now it looks like wood. Also painted all these cabinets white just to open the room up a little bit. The floors are original and have been like this the entire time. Something in the kitchen that I'm super proud of is my magnet collection. I have been collecting these things since I started this trip, and they go all around this way. I even have one from Spain, and they come up over here. So I'm still adding to those. Something that I always get complimented on in here are these under the counter like storage things for paper plates and stuff. In RVs and in campers, if you can imagine, it's a smaller space. You have to like find and maximize your storage as much as you possibly can. So instead of putting everything in your cabinets, use the under cabinet area too. So I have installed a paper plate dispenser, a paper napkin dispenser, and regular napkin dispenser. So this is what those look like, and I will try to find this brand on Amazon and link it down below because that has been super helpful for me as well. And yeah, just good to have. In here I've got plates and another bowl dispenser up there. Here's my toothbrush and toothpaste stuff. It's actually a mess in there. I need to clean all that, organize it. There is my stove, and yeah, 2 burners. It's enough for me to cook a good meal on. Banks's bowl. Now here are the bunk beds. The idea for these has been the same ever since I started, which is to have my travel buddy sleep in the bottom bunk and the top bunk will be used for storage. So that's exactly what's happening here. Athena currently is my travel buddy, so she sleeps down here. This is her bunk, and then on top we have a bin of Banks's stuff, both of our dirty laundry bags, her clothes, a toaster, and her school stuff, and some pots and pans back there. I put this mirror on the back of my bathroom door. Hello, hello, hello. So that I can see what I look like when I don't dress up ever. This is the bathroom. I've got this towel rack on the back of the door right here, and my toilet. I have these 2 storage bins, which should look, let's try to be cleaner for the video. I've got these 2 storage bins right there on the wall. I've got my family photos, which last time I did a tour, somebody thought it was hilarious that I have family photos in the bathroom. They're like, oh yeah, I like to think of my father when I take a shit too. But this is my family. My mom, my uncle, my grandma, my dad, Mimi, Papa, Sal, my brother, me, and my mom and me. This is my shower, which I have never used. I use it for storage just because it's a helpful storage area. I've got extra water jugs down there. Athena has her shower caddy. I have my shower caddy. Banks's towel for when she gets baths. Banks's food thing. Her bowl. Some shower stuff here. Whatever. So this is what it looks like when you come out of the bathroom. And that is my entire house, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the updated tour, and yeah, that's all I got for you. If you guys have any questions about anything I've done, please let me know. If you guys are getting to be on the road yourself, I hope you find some inspiration. The whole idea here is that a lot of people build custom van builds, step vans like the last video I put out. Everything. You can build your own space if you want. But if you're not inclined in construction and don't know how to do those things, you can buy a trailer that is already laid out for you and built out for you, but then you can still customize it, you know? It doesn't have to be your regular trailer or RV or van or whatever. You can still reupholster things, put vinyl on the wall, hang things from the ceiling, install lights, do whatever you want, you know, make it yours. Anyway, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you don't know who I am, I probably should have introduced myself earlier. I'm Chelsea. I travel full-time on the road in this camper with my dog. We're traveling the United States of America together. I pick up travel buddies along the way. They stay with me for a couple months. They leave. I pick up a new one. We keep going, whatever. If you guys are interested in living this lifestyle yourself, I also do tips and tricks videos for you guys as well as daily vlogs. So if you guys have any questions, throw them at me because I'm ready to answer them. I hope you guys have a beautiful afternoon and I will see you in the next one.